we're going to listen to a Kirtana, a chanting of the holy names done in song. And you're really going to love this one, everyone. Just going to minimize the background music. You've all heard of Ram Dass. Ram Dass was a famous Harvard psychologist turned spiritualist after he discovered his guru, Neem Karoli Baba. Neem Karoli Baba named everyone after his Ishta Devata, Ram. He named Dr. Richard Alpert Ram Dass, and another form of Ram is Krishna, and so he named one of the other Guru Bhai, brothers of the Guru, Krishna Das, whereas Ram Das has now passed away. Krishna Das is still alive. Ram Das was famous for his lectures, his discourses. He had the Guru Shakti, the power from the Guru to engage in dialogue. But Krishna Das had the Guru Shakti, the power of the Guru to engage in Kirtana. So he's famous for the devotional songs that he does on harmonium. So, without further ado, we'll be listening to about a 12-minute meditation from Ram Das's Guru Bhai, Krishna Das. I hope you enjoy it. Just gonna double check that the sound is working. Okay, glad I double checked that.
Chandikaya Om Namah Chandikaya Chanting Mangala Kali Bhadra Kali Kapali Durga Kshama Shiva Datri Swaha Swadha Sute Jayatvam Devi Chamunde Jayabhutartihari Jaya Sarvagati Devi Kalaratri Madhukaitam Vidavi Vidatri Vade Namaha Rupam Dehi Chayam Dehi Yasho Dehi Trisho Dehi Mahishasuram Nirnashi Bhaktanam Sukhade Rupam Dehi Jayam Dehi Yasho Dehi Visho Dehi Desobhanyam Arogyam Deme Paramam Sukham Rupam Dehi Jayam Dehi Daityadarpavinashi Rupam Dehi Jam Dehi Yasho Dehi Drisho Dehi 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 Rupam Dehi Jam Dehi Yasho Dehi Drisho Dehi. I wanna know what love is. I want you to show me. I wanna feel what love is. I know you can show me. I wanna know what love is. I want you to show me. I wanna feel what love is. Know that you can show me. Rupam Dehi Jam Dehi Yasho Dehi Drisho Dehi Rupam Dehi Jam Dehi Yasho Dehi Drisho Dehi. I wanna know what love is. I want you to show me. I wanna feel what love is. I know you can show me. Rupam Dehi Jam Dehi Yasho Dehi Drisho Dehi Rupam Dehi
Thank you for listening, everyone. That was lovely. Enrapturing. That's a great word, Nix. Krishna Das. Love him. Love him, love him, love him. Yes, wonderful. And with that lovely meditation session, that brings us to the close of today's Sangha. So